know we that. Girl think to we it no hard and no Jesus. We know fi locate. Find girl G-spot where them find hard we do it easy and no ask for my heart there. Me left it in the freezer. Bring it to the phone and gag Caesar where for Caesar. Girl fly in ya. Me nah no visa. Post it on the team and I start a media. And when me see you with a man, me nah go pray you. Man a tree no catch feelings like no fever. Swear to God you nah go but nobody realer. Light a chop that a sealer. Hoy! Remember we well changed, so no girl can't take with the clown, no. We no new to the game, we build style and pattern you fi know. Come with a little bird brain, laugh man a laugh and a show blow, wow. You can't chicken with no girl, I'll tell them. Hoy! Naga say me naga spend. Tell you straight up something me a defend. Fully boots up, not talk up with Jen. If you alone can't manage and you travel with your friend. Oi, me no stoop so me need a naga bend. Tips is a out, gal cock up is a 10. Couple gal cross the toll. Waffy get when me do. Pan a gang 10 million, go for them. Oi, remember, yes, sick. Remember the contestant them there for perform.
Alright, you don't know that was the artist, Kodiak. Hey, big up yourself, Kodiak. You know me, I tell you, you're a talented artist and a lookout for him. You get to be a talk about so Kodiak, you know it going on. You say the girl them. I say million love the girl them, but every man with there love the girl them. But that's all you know. Yeah. Alright, so you don't know Kodiak. Yeah.
When you follow him on the IG there, at Know That Music, that are at KNOWDIACMUZIK. Yes.
All right. So carry on, make your way. I think it's a beautiful female, you know. Yeah. You don't know. Shall go sing some song for you now.
My name is Carrie Ann Brown. I am 16 years old. I attend Ozamarja Technical High School. Yes. So nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you. Alright. So what's your music and birthday?
Today I'll be singing a song. I've been walking with my face turned to the side, weight on my shoulders, a bullet in my gun. Oh, I got eyes in the back of my head, just in case I have to run. I do what I can for my people. As the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Do you have freedom calling me to answer? Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones. Early in the morning, before the sun begins to shine, I'm gonna start moving so I can stop right in line. I'm walking through muddy water. You know I got a made up mind. And if I lose any blood on the way to salvation, while the skies roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Do you have freedom calling me to answer? Gonna keep on people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you have freedom calling? Calling me to where they're gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you have freedom calling? Calling me to where they're gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, I have freedom calling. Calling me to where they're gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones.
All right, just me. Great performance from Carrion. Carrion, what is the name? Carrion Brown. Trust me, no, look out for this female artist. She all her notes them a while ago. And not everybody can do this. All right, so we're moving on to the first judges. What do you think about Carrion performance? Arrow General. Yes, Arrow. Arrow General. What do you think about her performance?
Check. Yeah, carry on. Bad singer. Give thanks for being here and being a part of 100% talent, you know? We're glad to see you forward out. You know what I mean? Yeah, your vocals, them, we love your vocals, them. We can say you have whole heap more for go and whole heap more for doing our music. You see me I deal with you. You're at a young age right now, and your future look promising and bright. You see me I deal with. So just continue, work on it. It's an original song that, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Trust me, sound very good. Manners, millions.
All right, so you hear from the man himself, Arrow General. All right, Keisha Las Vegas, what do you think about Carrion performance just now?
You know what? I was just busy getting, what do you call it? Goosebumps. Because what I thought of when I heard her voice was potential, nothing else. Potential. I know as she gets older and she's guided the right way in the right studio, you know, she doesn't need that, what I say, like a cocoon, you know, to become a butterfly. So I really see great potential in her, and definitely I'm excited for her to be a part of this show.
Okay.
Wonderful work. It was really nice. We didn't say music to your ears. It was lovely.
All right, boy, may I tell you, Mr. Nero put on one smile on Fim face. Fim smile gone weird on our part. So, Nero.
All right, so my smile come with another studio contract for her because I listen to her tone of voice and she have the falsetto them good. You know what I mean? But falsetto. A little bit more of the gut sound would be better. And I see a lot of potential, so me need the artist there. We need the artist for the production.
Trust me, she remind me of Alicia. She just remind me of Alicia Keys.
So yeah, man. So before she go, we're gonna meet up with her. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with her, and then we just do the necessary transactions and stuff. Cause me see a bright future for her right now, right now. You know me full of ideas. So yeah, man, big up.
All right, so carry on. We are tell you, people to make sure to vote for her. Keep her in the competition because this is her first audition and we like how she sound. All right, so carry on, big up yourself, and next time, hopefully to see you next time around. All right, so this is the reason why we're so excited for this show, 100% talent show, to showcase all talents, you understand? So big up everybody who make this possible. So we're moving on to another contestant, Respect One. Respect One, make your way to center stage right now, my brother. 100% talent show. Don't just watch what I go on. All right here, Respect One. Introduce yourself to the place, my boss. You know, 100% talent. They are phony, you know.
I mean, answer greetings and salutation, one and all. Respect One, straight out of Kingston. 6, Sandy Park, Legani region. You know the thing, duh. Wago Guan, you know. Adapt my wife, you know.
Yes.
Real life, living it. Them Want it all and now nothing forgive. Nothing forgive. Volume. Feed them life in a mess. And of them want tell me how to live. All eyes on me like Machiavelli. Las Vegas them. What chat man like bitch. Said them real but them a real snitch. Them never want to see the respect rich. Them want to see my life in a ditch. Every day me get up me I build some new hits. All in on my mind say me must get rich. If I know this site well all the music. Them I know my dogs around them in a hit. Why them stacking up bricks, yo we stacking up block. Them no want to see the youth them setting up shop. Them want set up with life till we get gunshot. Them say Vegas I make too much cash. We lost it up and blast it up. That the girl them never left with number out and them can't talk. Any girl who not can know them have to come back. Need two more daughter like me and Yash. Them a what chat man like bitch. Say them real but them a real snitch. Them never want to see the respect rich. Them want to see my life in a ditch. Every day me get up me I build some new hits. All in on my mind say me must get rich. If I know this site well add the music. Them I know me dogs around them yo. Them a watch out me life just going through a phase. When they see the hard time, them a open breath we fall upon ice. So them can't sit on one side and rejoice. Never went that way, they get a youth, them a rise. And not too my wise. Real life. We live it up, you know. Up there.
Alright, respect what Mr. Your Ford Pod center stage excited, you know. You understand? I know you believe in yourself and believe in your song. You understand? But we leave everything to the judges right now. So we're starting from Nero. Nero, may I tell you, respect one, right?
Yeah, man. First thing for me is the energy, the confidence, and I can hear everything we must say. So that's a goal for me right there. You get me?
All right. So you have to say 40. You understand? I know Nero said that. So we like how you start out and everything, you know? All right, General. Could hear what you have to say.
Yeah, Rasta. You know, yeah, presentation. First thing, as me I tell you, image. You see me I deal with. I know through COVID, me can't be two gloves in. That's the image, and for know. You over the me I did, I love how you forward and you take full control of the whole stage. You know what I mean? You come show a lot of contestants say the fire phone are low. The microphone are low, you know what I mean? But at the same time, enough people try to take the microphone off of the stand. You know what I mean? But you show it, say it can work and you stay within the boundaries of the X for perform. You see me I did some, I love that. You see me I did some manners and respect your vocals, but your song tough. You see me I did what I look forward to see you in the competition. You see me I did.
All right, remember the votes them goes out, you don't know. Respect one. Hey, big up yourself, family. You know? Yeah, we like the performance there. I swear. You know what I mean? Hey, big up DJ Smoke. DJ Smoke, big up yourself on the Wheels of Steel. You don't know, big up all the judges inside the place.
Do you need your wedding videotaped? Do you need a commercial or an interview done? Then call Sunshine Video Production. We videotape and edit functions, graduations, stage shows, music videos, and even funerals. We have a video studio and offer help with your marketing and promotional planning. So WhatsApp or call us at 883-0525.
All right, so we're moving on to another contestant right away. All right, so make your way to center stage, Brandon. And remember, we have to big up all the judges. Big up yourself also, you know, make the thing possible. You know what I mean? So this is Brandon. Brandon this? Oh, I think Brandon do him skank. Oh, Mr. Smooth. Oh, he's Mr. Smooth Skankers. All right, you can introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world right now watching you an 100% talent showcase show. We're excited for now.
All right, my name is Brandon Ranger, coming from Clarendon in Milk River. So I just want to big up everybody, big up my supporters because I know they're watching right now. Yeah, so I'm ready to take the show.
All right, he's gonna perform for us, dancing. All right, Smooth.
It was was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old.
All right, may I tell you, the band himself smooth all the way from out of Clarendon. Trust me, we're very proud of this. This is a boneless man, man. It's a boneless man, this. All right, big up yourself. We really like that performance, you know what I mean? But let's hear from the judges right now, you know what I mean? All right, Tash, remember just make you say something, I don't know. But what you think about that dance move there a while ago? I have to enter, I have to involve you in that one here. Trust me.
The one here, trust me. What your name? Spinach, spaghetti? What a bone there? No bone at all. Fully lively. Vibe. Good. Loud. I like it.
All right, so you heard from Tash. Yes. I'm going to move on to another female right now, Keisha Las Vegas. Boy, you put one bright, you make her eye them open up wide. I think her eye them shut earlier, but I think from the start to dance, her eyes them open up wide. Keisha Las Vegas.
Okay, I know it's not good to always be giving great comment and say, wow, wonderful, wonderful, but I don't know what else to say. It was so nice. I didn't even know it is possible for someone to flow so well. Like, you know, like you put your finger in moving water and it just, you know, glide and you just don't know. They're lovely. I really liked it, the way you're able to express the words in the songs. When you're talking about granddad, you're talking about mommy. Really good. I'm impressed by it. And that's why I'm so excited to be on 100% Talent. I look forward to seeing you again. Lovely.
Right now, this show is to bring forth all talents. Bring them to the world. Showcase them to the world. You know what I mean? So, Nero. Yes, Nero.
All right, so you know my thing. Go for me, the man that just only come out here, come dance, them tell a story with moves. That's what they just did. Enough person now watch him a dance and say, yeah, him look good here, but them now watch the message of the dance move I show you.
Right.
You understand? That is creativity in its entirety.
Yes.
You understand? You know Roses FM? You're in a good hands now. Get a contact to one of them run about there.
All right, so big up yourself, the man himself, all the way from out of Clarendon. And what is your name again?
Brandon Ranger, known as Space Kid, you know.
All right, Space Kid. So big up yourself, Space Kid, the man are forward from far. You don't know, remember to keep the votes. You don't know, we're going to give you some ticket and remember, you know, we have to try and help yourself to stay in this competition. All right, so we're moving right along to another Alien Boss. Yes, so to find Alien Boss for it, please. You know what I mean? 100% talents right now. We like the show, and so far, we start out well, and every artist who perform right now, may I tell you them go on good. Hey, so big up Alien Boss. Alien Boss, make your way to center stage right now. 100% talent show. Hey, they want to see you know, the last time we hear you perform. You don't know where you come with that week, yeah, still. But I hear a show, so endorse your thing, bro.
Yeah, man, really. I'm here to big up all the judges, Harold and Keisha, Nero. You don't see it go. 100% talent, you know. You see me and say, and we are going to do it the real way. Actually, I come to tell you a story, you know. I'm open and listen properly and get the concept of me and say. Read him. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Read him. Yeah. Real, yeah. Hey, I chew him now, yeah. I me say, Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. When Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world now. Him also ignorant and vile as a kid. Him never have nothing, no, him never grow spoil as a kid. Chada, lot of journey, a lot of mile as a kid. Lone screw face, him never show no smile as a kid. Know him left school and never try go college. Just money him a bring, him not try find no knowledge. Him think say him strong in himself, but Mama never love the life where him a live. She say fi come and him never come, and she say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. When Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. When Mama say fi come and him ask her fi what, cause him have to touch the road from bring back her dinner. Him love her to him heart and that's a fact, you know. But him still a pretty house with the big black beamer. All when Mama say fi ease off, him no ease off. Chica him willing fi squeeze off, fi get the G's fast. Him tell himself him have to reach far, cause deep in him heart him know say him a leader. Hey, Mama vex ya know, can't believe it. Right I know him look good life goodly leave him. I chew him never hear. When Mama say fi come and him never come. Mama say fi cool and him never cool. Him think say him better than everything in the world. No, hey,
Alien Boss. Where you say Mama tell him for cool and him nah cool, him nah here. Like stick broke in a females. Good song from Alien Boss, me like that one. And me I tell you, me I feel it too, you know, the current and the energy and the whole thing. You know what I mean? Yes. Our General, what you think about this song, Alien Boss just perform?
Yeah. Alien Boss. Yeah. Extraterrestrial activity we are dealing with, you know? You over there we are dealing with, you are going now. Song, potent, real, straight. Right now, enough for the youth them right now, them need to listen to a song like this and hold a meditation. Right now, because with them are run down and feed them, you know? You over there we are dealing with. Otherwise, from that image out, Alien Boss, mask on head top, you know, Joker shirt with a little arrow movie thing. You know what I mean? Because they think it's a scary movie thing, you know. But nothing like that, you know.
No,
you
I
deal with, so, yeah, man. Fully love the performance, love the song, love the positive message where you give out to the item. And we need more music like this right now. So big up yourself, Alien Boss. Million.
All right, trust me, that is the reason why we have this show, 100% talent show for all talent to showcase, you know, so the artists them can reach on another level. Alien Boss, trust me, big song. Keep up the good work, my brother. You know what I mean? And we are going to make you have some tickets, so make sure you keep the people them voting for you to keep you in this competition because you're doing good, my brother. You know what I mean? All right, Kisha, Las Vegas. Kisha, Alien Boss, but we hear what you have to say about it.
You know, I can't sing, but he makes me want to sing. Mama tell you to cool yourself.
Yeah.
And that is something that many mothers, families are challenged with right now. Craziness going on in this COVID time. And sometimes you see people do, you know, you're not expecting stuff out of them. And you want to like, oh, that, their family's so good. Principal like, granny send him go to church. You know, mother send him go to good school. And that song just embodies that we really have to sometimes take telling and
Straight
understand
up.
at times Naga, so, Naga give you an excuse.
Yes.
Naga always get an excuse to continue. So, I loved it.
For real, we're really excited for all the artists. So big up Alien Bass, I heard from Kisha, Las Vegas, loving the song. All the judges, I think, loving the song right now. So, yes, we're moving on to another performance right now because we're now hold back on the talent them right now. We are sending the talents them to the world. All right, so the next artist we're moving on to right now is G Flims. G Flims. All right, 100% again. Wagwan Bossy. Everything all right? Yes. All right, so you don't know, I think this is the second audition you're entering, 100% sure, right? All right, so introduce yourself to Jamaica now.
I mean, I say a G Flames, you see me? Come from where? Kingston, Jamaica. You hear that? Differently, we go from the sky to the ground. Alien. Ready? Dark trap. Fiery. Hey. We come for burn up the place today now. 100% talent show. Yeah, 100% talent show. Hey, what up, what up? When me touch the stage, that burn up, burn up. Who talk up, get dumb up, dumb up. If you think about it, just run up. 100% talent show, 100% talent show. Who rocking this talent show? He, she, I don't know. 100% talent show, 100% talent show. Who rocking this talent show? Me, my time to go. Where did I find this kind of flow? Unpredictable, like the dice that roll. Going for the diamonds and golds. Not a later, my time is now. Big up all judge and artists, yo. Touch stage and boom, blast it, yo. Mommy and daddy feel proud. You the streets talking about this platform make a reach from the top farm. Ha ha, me no stop laugh. Be a hot girl top notch. Where them come from? Boston, London. Well bad, be a bad girl. Stern with a team. Govern the globe. Man a star. Look up and you know. Reading my beat. Listen the flow. Be a loud like thunder we roll. 100% talent show. 100% talent show. Who rocking this talent show? He, she, I don't know. 100% talent show. 100% talent show. Who rocking this talent show? Me, I do it again, me don't need a pen. My head sicker than the brain seizure them. From me get my weed with a piece of blame. Who is me? The mom for speak again. Musical, extraterrestrial. Stern with a alien, celestial. God in the business, bless the dan. Lyrical sickly, check temperature. Hot and fiery, G-Flames are the fans, them admiring. 100% of talent inspiring. My lyrics, them a clap and firing. This competition and a prior thing, you will get right off like a diary. When man a make nice, just quiet him. With my flow, them a sick and astonishing. 100% talent show, 100% talent show. Who rocking this talent show? He, she, I don't know. 100% talent show, 100% talent show. Who rocking this talent show? Me, my time to go. Fiery aliens go from the sky to the ground.
100% talent show. I war on the show. Hey, me I tell him I vibe with it too, the man just come out jovial and yo, this is just fun. This is joy for him, me not lie. The talent show really bring forth and showcasing right now some real talented youth out there, and me really love the show. Trust me. $1 billion voice, me love the show. 100% talent show. All right, Nero, what you think about? No, don't move, brother. What you think about his performance and the song? Hey, the man just vibing a while ago with it and hold him energy. Turn down the rhythm.
I never did expect that still.
Nero.
But, yo, brother, the man does make a whole complete vibe around the whole talent show thing, and that is creative and belief, you know what I mean? The main fact that you're going so fast, and I can hear every individual word that you're saying, and them actually make sense. Because that's why you see me never there rock, but then listen. You understand? So that's a goal for me right there. You see me, I said, big up yourself.
All right. So the man himself, G Flims, our general.
Yeah, Nero, you know, see a G Flame. You see me, I deal with one another extraterrestrial one then. From out of one part of the universe, around one part of the galaxy, you know? Yo, but, yes, you see that song there now, that look like it's an advertisement for the show itself. Yeah, it look like it's gonna become the song for the show.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And it's funny because the artist actually in the competition. And the song we are going to use as the advertisement for the competition. But that don't mean say you win already. Although you're bad and you're going with a bag of things. You see me I deal with some big up G Flames. Wicked song. We love how you found out different and you actually build a song for the talent show itself. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, my general. Million.
All right, 100% talent show. So you don't know, remember to keep him up. Remember, we're going to have some tickets we're going to give the artists them. So artists, remember now to keep the votes up. Go out there and make sure the people them vote for you. So G Flames, big up yourself. Let's just say you write that song there for the show itself. You know what I mean? 100%. All right, so we're moving on to another contestant right now. I just want to big up DJ Smoke round the Wheels of Steel. Our judges for today is Nero, Kisha Las Vegas. You don't know, big up Tash inside the building also. And Arrow General, Harole. All right, so the another contestant is Sky Pusher.
Blessings and honor, you know what I mean? Big up my place first and foremost, you know, Papi, Landlease, Motown, Riverview, CM Speed, you know what I mean? Right, that's a St. Andrew where I hail from. Musical life, you know what I mean? That's how we bird feet and we go feet, you know what I mean? We come for this, man. Just play the beat, make we do it. I mean, I say, yeah, man, I'm an old schooler from what? 1986. Super Cat, big up 82, you know? Some is a wicked. Some is a wicked and wild, that's a yard man style. Some go check my profile, and I run a profile. Some boy style spoil them in a exile. But my job botini shine like a ceramic tile. Old school name brand, who know we wear them the old school name brand. Me not seen them, so what me to do dockers and the car the right pants them. The song ya go come like the national anthem. Pull up the bubble saxophone, no chucks a trouble fox. Girl them say me at them all give me 3 hearts. Someone beat the felt and beat the fit, rock this not back. Girl them say this suit match but the thing short. But Bob, you know Sky Pusher live, you know what I mean people. 100% talent.
Hey, big up guys, Sky Pusher, me I tell you, where I'm gonna find that rhythm here? Where I'm gonna find that rhythm here? And not every artist can, but every artist supposed to can perform on this type of rhythm. Sky Pusher, just me, touch it brother. You know what I mean? The man got the late track and an old school beat. So you have to know what kind of artist is rap, yeah, so? Nero judges. Let me hear what you have to say.
All right, for me still.
Turn down the beat.
Yeah, for me still, it's a win for me, because, you know, normally when you hear some song nowadays, they talk about either clothes, shoes, and the chain and the markings, and it just get played out after a while. Yo, this man called some brand new, I'm here in a long time, brother, like, yo. And pipe my fam, you understand? So that's the next round for me, right there. You know what I mean? So big up yourself and yeah, well presented. We never expect that one there still, but well presented, you see me?
All right, we're really excited for the artists, you don't know. Tash, yeah, I'm going to let in the female them. Yeah, I'm going to go on. I'm look. I'm sound.
I feel like I was in school, old school. And you know what was good for me? The clarity. And all the man sit down on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb.
Road. All right, so big it up, Sky Pusher, big up yourself. You mean hopefully to see you in the competition, because I think this is the final competition. All right, so that was Sky Pusher. Big up yourself, brother. You mean, me I tell you where you going to find the old school beat here? In bad. Yeah. All right, so hey, this is what's going on right now. Remember, the sponsors make the shows possible to, you know, so we have to keep on bigging them up. You don't know, Kisha Las Vegas. Yes, big up yourself. Shakin, Uptown Wednesdays, Dress Tech. Hey, big up yourself. Tiffany Records also. Hey, big up. All right, and everybody who playing a part today, showcasing them talent. Hey, this is what's going on. All right, so we can move on to another performance right now. DJ Smoke, hey, turn up the beat right now. Keep the place excited. Yeah, you know it go, you know, you have to forward up proper, in brother. I'll your pendant of herbs. All right, you're good now. Yeah, no, that one all right, man. That is okay, you know what I mean? All right, so make your way to center stage, my boss. Forward, man, forward. Forward right there, so. Yeah. So you don't know, yeah, introduce yourself. Turn on to the camera, bossy. Yeah, man, take your time. All right, so this is another contestant right now. All right, light lantern.
Yeah, lantern. Yeah, I come to represent Sligoville. And I respect the people them. I respect the man them. And I love the woman them. That is like a lantern. Alright. And my life, you know. You know, say all our life and a leaf of life. My thing different, you know. Alright. A little lantern, you know. And they say thing there. You know what? My life, you know. And a leaf of life, you know. For me one life, you know. Me no do what me like, you know. My life, you know. And no leaf of life, you know. For me one life, you know. Me no do what me like, you know. But me I tell you about hardness. When me touch on the street and nothing I want and hungry, I bite that a artist. Me go tell you about bad mind. When your friend a look your woman saying bad mind, that a crime time. My life, you know. When me touch on the street and clean, that a life, you know. Girl a call me for my phone, a double life, you know. Girl a take me picture just to me clean, you know. My life, you know. And no leaf of life, you know. For me one life, you know. Me no do what me like, you know. Cause certain little thing me nah go do in a life. Me nah go in for me nah go take people life. Me nah walk a road and take no innocent life. Me bun ganja weed and me ever think twice. My life, you know. And no leaf of life, you know. Me come to represent Sligoville. And everybody should know. Alright now. A bombing, you know.
Alright, the man himself say a feeble life, so allow him make him live it. A ganja the man say no coke, none of that somebody, that white lady somebody, you know what I mean? Alright, Kisha, hey, we're moving on to you, what you think about the man himself from all the way out of Sligoville?
Say me like the vibe, you know.
You know.
Right. You know, it is simple and fun. And I know as we go along in the competition, he will, you know, step up the game some more for us. But it gives us a vibe, like, you know, you're there in your neighborhood and you go past your brethren at the shop and just give you vibes. And I like that. It is good that Jamaica is reminded that we still have fun, you know? I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. So me like it, you know.
Right. Alright, so you don't know. Big up yourself. Hey, you don't know the first audition we see you. Yeah. And you're outside there, so you need to join us up.
As
here,
I
so
said, you just
we really appreciate to have you here. You know what I mean? To showcase your talent on the 100% Talent Show. Hey, so big up yourself, the man himself from out of Sligoville, Light, London. Big up. Alright. You know I go. Alright, so we're moving on to another contestant right now. Hey, remember the time is running on us. We have to big up another sponsors right now. Be Art Paris, sponsor from all the way out of France. Hey, big up on yourself, alright? France family, big up. Is a part of this too, you know, you don't know them sponsor the show, so we have to big them up. Alright, so the other contestant is Desi Frost. Desi Frost. Alright, make your way to center stage, my brother, and keep the show exciting. Alright, introduce yourself, my boss.
Yeah. Blessings to you, judge them. Blessing to you all our sponsorship. Who should bought our strength, for give you the platform, can showcase the talent. How me say me a big up all I get to youth them. Big up Clifton and Overtown, all of Spain Town. Big up Portmore. Judges, kick your rhythm. Yeah. You know I have to keep it real and true. Out here with it, without fear. $1 million voice. May I tell you something? Remember days when me nah no food for go a mouth. Water running but my life is a jot. Out of the ghetto man want fi move out. Tell me family and friends just make we shoot out. And no gun thing you hear me I tell you about. When them they were hungry I cut like shot. Run us so hard and it's no joke. No, it's no joke. Me mother pray for me every day and every night. She know a man while me a real crocodile. No worry her head because she have to get spoiled. Make the money stack it up until it reach the sky. Remember one choosing fancy board house with fly. That the really special mother and my father not lie. But mommy faith make me know me have to survive. Zedok so go and holy call life so nice. Ghetto life is hard. Only thing them offer a jailhouse and the mag. Out in the street now turn off in me yard. Go for where me want even if it get hard. Feel like man no one fly pan plane go abroad. Read to the link and coulda never been a fraud. True man firm make you never see man ball. Money pan the run and destruction I call yo. Stress a beat like rhythm, missy brain fly like pigeon. Father God a protect even though man still a fear sin. Mother time on a loser time now for man win. Make the under fly like say it got wing. Yeah them woulda kill you for your own things. Carry the money no feel like the guard man brings. Tap a line until it turn in a one piece of string. So we do we thing and give thanks for blessing. Cause ghetto life is hard. Only thing them offer jailhouse and the mark. Out in the street now and turn off in me yard. Go for where me want even if it get hard. Feel like man no one fly pan plane go abroad. Read to the link I coulda never be no fraud. True man firm make you never see man ball. Money pan the run and destruction a call. Yeah, big up. Thanks for your platform, same way.
Alright, so that was the band Desi Frost. What you mean? Right now, no, now to keep him in the competition. And remember, now for just keep the votes them up. When they want to get the ticket, them boss, so they don't know. Now for just go out there, you know what I mean? Have the supporters, them, and the fans, them, keep on supporting you to keep you in the 100% talent showcase show. Alright, so Kisha Las Vegas. Yeah, what's about the artist Desi? Come out. How am I going?
For Desi, I listened to his
Turn
words.
down the beats. Turn down the beats.
Okay. For Desi, I listened to his words, you know, and basically he was saying, you know, living in the ghetto is like one thing you have to look forward to is death and some kind of curse, you know, and I like the idea that he says, you know, you want to fly, you want to do nice things too. And everybody at the ghetto want to do evil. You know that way there? And if there's an opportunity like this platform, he says he's up for it. And that is why I'm just so excited to have him in 100% Talent. Very nice. And I like your personality. It comes through in your music as well. Very good.
Everything all right. So you know, from the female, them I represent for you. She says it's a nice song. Everybody would love to fly out of the ghetto. Elevation. Hey, our general, what you have to say about that? Because I like that song there too, you know. Yes, Desi.
Yeah. Desi Frost, the eye nail. Big up the eye self. You see me I deal with? Yeah, I love the music and love the lyrics. But here what for me I know. I don't know if the eye and the eye have similarity in terms of lungs. Breath control. You see me I deal because me have a similarity with problem with that. You see me I deal with, so me hear in a part where you have to hold back the rhythm. Because you know it go. Rhythm have to leave it, but you know we hold it back said way, because you know we are bad artists though. So you know we hold back the rhythm. You see me, but we are listening, we have the ears, so we are listening the words them where you say, I know say you're potent and you say some positive words. So we have to give thanks for that and give thanks for you being a part of the program. You see me? So you know when the show starts, you know it go 100% you have to give them. You see me I deal with?
All right, the judge himself, our general, him say like it, so you know it going on. Let me hear from another female. Tash, what you have to say about the artist?
Desi. I like it. Well, as Harold was saying, everything was okay for me, but the breath, I need to dig from the diaphragm, you know?
Yeah.
Work on it, but trust me, you're a bond star.
All right, so big up yourself, Desi. You don't know it going on. Yes, the band himself have good music, you know what I mean? And all the judges right now, remember, whenever the artists have fouled, if you say, don't foul with the artists, don't afraid to tell them, because remember, the competition will be going on and on and on. All right, so make your way to center stage, blazing, make the people know where you're forward from. Boy, him look so. Him look like a rapper. This man no look like a Jamaican artist. Him look like a rapper. All right, so blazing. Introduce yourself to the world, my boss.
Yeah, man, we say blazing, man, we say Portmore, definitely. You see me out here, you never be syndicate records with me, you know? Full enough for the lead out, definitely. Yeah. Pepper TV. That's Pepper TV. But anyhow, Pepper TV just tell them nothing can stick on the beat here. When they made this kick off a road, then them know start blazing the lyric and the creature feature this pan clip of this headshot pin miss that thing in them down. Alright, put it up. I don't want to find that. Don't drop it. Right rhyme and nothing, then the lyrically incline tell me who shut a road, who chat bad song, who write your rubbish lyrics tell me who flap a road. Well and tight, me say we yet on that alone. We artists if it is strap a road. We artists have lyrics shot but not around, but in a song, but in a real life as a known killer, no physically thing still. As a known gal is in every corner, me have gal a roam, gal alone. Me have gal at home, gal in a country, but then me have gal at town. You fi hear me say we yet on that alone, gal we bleach out still me have gal at tone. Fire for the man where you walk and look somebody for rape on him, gal at home, hide and seek. The fire lyrically body poison and grammar zone. Cock up your ears and no one listen. Man, music loud like the Bama sound. I'm a style, I'm a swagger, I alone, I'm a splash on. Make the girls them come around, man, I come around. And that alone like me. Wish artists make the most baggage rap around. And I rhyme alone, make me take the boy, girl again, I'm mine now, my girl, I'm mine alone. Loving, she want never Kyle alone. She was in at the palace. I man one girl with teeth, girl, we in a designers, one girl with big girl with all well tight as one. No gazoo, no donkey with all type as one. The mount a girl with I one on. Me keep girl relay, never live in the car alone. Girl quiet, girl well loud, if you mind at one. Girl big, girl marker like web, but the spider phone come on me yard when they vibe my home. Hey, right rhymes and then the lyrically inclined tell me who shut a road, who chat bad song, who write me rubbish lyrics tell me who flap a road. Well and tight, me say we yet on that alone. Wish artists if it is strap a room. Wish artists have lyrics shot but not around, but in a song, but in a real life as a known killer, no physically thing still. As a known girl is in every corner, me have girl a room, girl alone. OTR girl at home, girl in a country, but then me have girl at town. You fi hear me say we yet on that alone, girl we bleach out still me have girl at home. Fire for the man where you walk and look somebody for rape on him, girl at home. Fully now.
Hey, if the band blazing right now, make some nice to the artists. Forward there, some blazing, they're excited here. Yeah, go on, sir. Hey, Nero, what do you think about blazing performance? Boy, me I tell you, how am I going? All right, look.
All right, for me, it's still kind of hard to hear exactly what I say, but I kind of slow myself down to pay attention to exactly what I try to say still. You understand? But
turn down the beat.
If you understand music on an international level, you see the more you compact your lyrics, it's harder for persons on the wider scale to understand. Me hear what you say still, but certain parts I couldn't hear, and you don't want that because you get my attention when they start the song, but when they start getting the I say, hold on there. I have to go rewind and I couldn't do it because it's live. You understand? So always remember, sometimes the compact lyrics don't really work. You understand? Sometimes you realize the song they may bust the biggest in the world. Sometimes you hear one phrase or song, then the next 3 minutes you hear one next phrase. You know what I'm talking about still, but yeah. It's a goal for me, said we. There's the creativity within the song. We know exactly what I say already, so the subconscious tell me already. See?
All right, so you heard from the judge himself, Nero. All right, so I'm going to move on to our general. You know what I mean? Because I see lyrics kicking like a ball over your son. Trust me. All right, blazing. Arrow.
Yeah. Lyrics in overdrive, my general. Lyrics in overdrive. You see me I deal with? But at that again, the rhythm probably just need more space for the eye fit all the lyrics within the rhythm. You see me I deal with? Because the eye says some whole heap of things. You see me I deal with? But at the same time, for the one stage show, when you even have to make a reach so far, you don't tell the place already. But you connect from certain lines from the intro. Remember, we know the thing, you know. You see me I deal with? But at the same time, you want the song for, even if you don't connect from in the first half, you still can't catch them in a middle-like song same way. Still give them one in a them organ. You know yard man? You see me I deal, so me I say, the song tough. You see me I deal with? To me personally, I don't like them type of trap rhythm. You see me I deal with? I rate how the item can trap and DJ and mix it and fuse it. But me just not rate the rhythm them because it make you forced to do things like this. But at the same time, the eye bad, no way Mado, and me can take an eye out of the page, a page out of the eye book same way. You see me? Alright them.
Alright, so remember, just continue to vote. Remember, we're going to go to some tickets, so you don't know anything go. Yes, don't move, Mama.
Before you
yes,
leave,
Kisha.
Though you are saying a lot, one thing I did hear in your song was fire, the rape. And to me, that stood out to me significantly because I thought, no, I'm really got deep in that thing. He's thinking of what's going on in the society and how wrong it is. And though he's a man, and many men sometimes just kind of brush off whatever another man do. Him say, no, the thing not right. Him say, look at oh, if I have your woman in your yard and you're going to rape. What happened to the woman in your yard? So that was really something that I realize I have a lot to offer. And I can't wait to hear the rest. I swear.
All right, Keisha, thank you for that. You know what I mean? All right, big up yourself, blazing. Me, I tell you, you're fiery out. Everything all right. You know what I mean? DJ Smoke. Hey, big up yourself on the Wheels of Steel. You know what I mean? All the judges. Hey, the big up on yourself, all the sponsors also. Remember, time is on us right now. All right, so we're moving on to another contestant right now. Hey, this artist go by the name of Major Jackson. Major Jackson, make your way to center stage right now. 100% talent. Hey, sure, me I tell you, them are going good enough. Everybody, the skankers them, the artists them will perform, me I tell you. All right, so Major Jackson, make your way to center stage. Hey, me I tell you, bossy, and what do you sing for the girl them up on the plaza? Me I tell you, the whole place, you full the girl them a goosebump. All right, so Major Jackson, what go on?
Bless up, bless up. So that tune you know is the original, and you me say now. You say youths them are the future for now and tomorrow and future on and on, seen? So we can't be partial and carnal mind, seen? So hear me now, selector. Run the tune now. Oh yeah, yeah. You and you stop fighting the youth, hey. Some of them have them dirty heart and them idle thought. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. Now go help the nations. Show the youth some positive direction, more and more cultural attraction, so them can face the Armageddon, and this might cause a revolution. So stop from blighting the youth. Why don't you teach them the truth? Youth's life, yes, me say you want to pollute. Youths and youths, me say we keep searching for the truth. Them have them dirty heart and them idle thought. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. Think of Jah with an upright heart. A humble thought, yes, you will find him. The thought of the prudent thinketh knowledge, but the heart of the heathen think destruction. Seek peace, yes, and pursue it. When I come back against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in a high and low places, and that a cause of disgraces. Them got them dirty heart and them idle thought. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. We are gonna dump up the pit of violence, full up the trend of hatred, and water the garden of love, and let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. And again me said, dump up the pit of violence, full up the trend of hatred, water the garden of love, and let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. And again them have them dirty heart and them idle thought. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. Them have them dirty heart and idle thoughts. Now elevate the youths, them mind with them dirty mind and idle conversation. That now go help the nation. And again,
boy, may I tell you, yeah, may I skank over the whole place right now. May I tell you, yeah, this is the artist. He's a professional artist to how him deliver, how him lock the rhythm. You know what I mean? Trust me, Major Jackson. I don't know how you know out there yet, you know. But I feel like at your time now, my boss. Trust me. Our General, what do you think about Major Jackson? Dirty heart. I can't sing to you, know.
You know I'm going to Major Jackson. You see me I deal with a professional artist. I tell you, say you have the vocal. You see me I deal with, and you do this long time. You see me I deal with, you can hear the experience in the high voice. You see me I deal with.
Turn down the beat.
So, I love that song there, where you just sing, because right now we need more of them message there right now, in the music. in the diaspora right now, in the youth them ears. The overs when I deal, because music are one of the biggest influence that can guide the youth them back to peace and unity. You know? So we really, really appreciate you for being a part of the program, the 100% Talent Show. You see me I deal with and give thanks to a message like that where the world and Ready TV, Pepper TV recorded and the world are going to get to see it. Kind of stop right there so you know, you over there me I deal with. Manners and respect.
Them dirty heart.
Nah, man.
Watching about big up the artist, Major Jackson. And the artist excited. You get to be a talk about me like when all him notes, him all the keys, him all the bars. Him deliver right a while ago, I swear. 100% talent. Hey, we think we are going, where you say go on? All right, so the bad artist there, introduce yourself to the place, my boss. 100% talent, show.
Yeah, man, a portion, you know. And me, I say. Me a big up talent show, you know, 100%. Yeah? Sponsors and everything. You see me, I say, run the rhythm there. A portion, you know. And me, I say. Boy, this off like lotion, you know. Then see man and they even know, man, you know. Yeah, me remember the days. Yeah, me remember the days. Yeah, me remember the days. Remember the days when me hungry for days. Out na the street, now me have to make a change. Me not trust them, cause them easy for change. Out na the streets, nah do it for the hype, nah the fame. But me have to step up me game. Cause we make it talk, me say that a my aim. Light up the weed, make it flow to my brain. More while, me pray to go far away. But I one thing, me say me nah go stress. So me beg Father God to just guide the way. Every day me pray to see a better day. Me put me trust in a Jah, but me still can't left me care. Cause your friend will sell you out to them, see you doing great. Enough of them a snake, them only want to see me fail. So dirty bad mind, you better keep your ear. Me see it and never be, look how your skin pale. Enough dear ones sell out for cheap ear. We will never be sell out with cheap. Yeah, me remember the days. Remember the days when me hungry for days. Out na the street, now me have to make a change. Me not trust them, cause them easy for change. Out na the street, nah do it for the hype, not the fame. But me have to step up me game. Cause we make it talk, me say that a my aim. Light up the weed, make it flow to my brain. We can't reach off at 9 to 5, no. So me have to get a line. Yeah, me have to chop a line. Yeah, more while me pray to give up, but me not, no, that shit, just me.
All right, 100% talent, sure. Hey, me don't know what go on like if not be about a part of the lyrics there. But I just saw it go. A new song, that song the new. It's fresh. All right, so we can see with it. Yeah, you know, we are clean it up and we really appreciate you to keep your music clean. Kisha, what do you think about the artist?
I like the innocence about him. I don't know if it's going to be a bad thing for him to say that, but I like the innocence because we are humans at the end of the day.
Turn down the beat.
You know? And selector, tone it down, make yourself. As I said, I like the innocence of you, that you are still human, you know? You are able to vibe, but then if you make an error, you say, man, next time I gotta try it better. So nothing's wrong with that, and we'll see you in the future, and I'm sure you'll improve your game. All right?
Straight. All right, General. Yeah, man, Aro. Because hear what you have to say, because you know what's going on. Remember, we're there to teach.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yes.
Yeah, the artist name, Portion.
Yeah,
big up yourself, Portion, and big up yourself for being a part of the 100% talent. You see me, I do the song, a positive song. You don't know the thing. Come here, you say two little thing night about the M and the K. And you know, we hear, but I don't know if it, you see me, I deal with, but yeah, it probably can slip past. You see me, I deal with. But here what I go on here now, melody. You see me, I deal with nothing wrong with the lyrics them, but
so
here
you need
on.
More melody.
Melody. Because
Right.
you sound like you just a talk naturally. You see me, I did you draw so a little word, then put two draw in you know, give two little flair, give two little style. And you see me, deliver it better and everything we work out. Nothing wrong with the lyrics them alright. And just the delivery to me could have better and the melody could have better. You see me, I deal with.
All right. So you hear it from the man himself, our general. May I tell you, Dash, what you think about the artist? You know what I mean? Remember what they here for teach same way. You know what I mean? Yes.
For me, it was the clarity. I hear everything that you were saying. And let me tell you something, young man. It's not what you go through, it's what you grow through.
Right.
You understand? So you see this little moment, and you mess up a little and you stand your ground same way, and one thing you need to do, you need to focus. I try to look for you in a cutie, but you not look for me. You understand? Focus, man. Look at the projection. You understand? Because
Yeah.
you got stronger, but a good artist. You understand me?
Straight.
So fix up that and come again. Alright?
All right, and the man say I'm first time, so you know it gone, and this song is very brand new. What is the name again?
Portion.
All right, Portion Music. All right, so now look out for Portion Music, you know what I mean? All right, so I think we're going to go into a 5 minutes break on the 100% Talent Show right now. Hey, right now the artists them, I bring them talent to the table, and we're really excited for this. So DJ, make sure you find some songs right now. Go and play some music, 5 minutes break, all right? We'll be back, you know it go. Our general, big up Tash. Hey, big up yourself, Kisha Las Vegas. So we're going for the break, all right? Nero.
Let's go.